Hello, my name is Ahmad Sirojuddin. I want to presentation about noise. In common use, the word noise means unwanted sounds in the both analog and digital electronic noise and wanted vibration to wanted signal. It is called noise, a generation of the audible noise heard when listening to a weak radio transmission signal. Noise is heard as acoustic noise is if played through a loudspeaker. It manifests as snow on a television video image. Noise. Auto noise, commonly defined as unwanted sound, is a widely recognized form of population. It is very difficult to measure because the discomfort experienced by different individuals is highly subjective and therefore variable. Exposure to lower level of noise may be slightly limiting, whereas exposure to higher level may cause hearing loss, particularly in context urban area. The noise produced as a byproduct of our advancing technology causes physical and physiological harm, but it also detracts from the quality of life from those exposed to it. Thanks for your attention.